Hey guys, what's going on? I wanted to show you one of my favorite snacks. They're granola bars, which I always love granola bars, but these happen to be my favorite. They're by Annie's brand. I don't know if you guys have seen it in the stores or online, but all Annie's products have this little rabbit of approval. They're pretty famous for their brands of macaroni and cheese. You probably see that in the store a lot, which are also delicious. I'm obsessed with those. But they also have other snack foods. They have like cheddar bunnies, they have fruit snacks, and they also have these granola bars. So these are delicious. I love them. Annie's, not all Annie's products, but some of their products are certified organic. These happen to be. I'm not crazy with the organic. I'm not like, oh, I need to have organic with every meal and I can only buy organic foods and all my food has to be organic. But it is nice if you could find something that is organic and it's a food that you love. So I'm definitely all about that if I could find it, and it is the preference, but I'm not crazy with it. Also very important, non-GMO. Like I said, I'm not like I am with organic with GMO either. I'm not like, oh, I need to have GMO free food all the time. It is preferred though. It is better to have things that are organic and GMO. So organic is always non-GMO. That's good to know. So these granola bars are non-GMO as well as organic. So you could feel good about having them as well as giving them to your kids, whether it's to put in their school lunchbox or just to have as an after-school snack on the way home from school on the bus. I always keep these in my bag because my job is kind of crazy. I don't always have time to stop and eat. And I also get hungry a lot, so these are filling and they're just easy. Stick it in your purse and go. So Annie's are made with goodness, no artificial flavors, synthetic colors or preservatives, no high fructose corn syrup. Very important. A lot of snacks that people give their kids are filled with high fructose corn syrup. This is not. And it has 8 grams of whole grains, which is great. And then it has the allergens on the ingredient list for people that have to watch and make sure if they have allergies to nuts or chocolate or whatever the case is. So they always list this on the side. They have this on the back of their mac and cheese also. We partner with people and places we trust to grow the organic oats and the organic cocoa for our chocolate chips, to make your organic chewy granola bars wonderfully wholesome and delicious. And then they're very good about contacting if there's ever a problem with anything you purchase from them, and they really do enjoying your feedback. I know that because I've actually left them feedback before. It just seems like they actually care rather than companies that have this on the side of the label and don't really care what you think. So we work with trusted suppliers to source only non-GMO ingredients and store in a cool, dry place. So I just leave these in my kitchen cabinet or in my pantry, which is always room temperature. Bernie's, their little rabbit of approval that's on all their boxes, really cute. And just a little bit about where they got the rabbit of approval from. Meet Bernie. Bernie was Annie's pet Dutch rabbit. When she started the company, Annie chose him to be our official rabbit of approval, representing the simplicity, care, and goodness in all of our products. So that's a little backstory on that. I just think that's really cute. Plus, I love rabbits. And they always have like these little cute earth-friendly little things on the back of their boxes, of their products. I think that's cute. And the nutrition facts, there's 100 calories in a bar. Really not bad at all. Not a lot of protein. I wish there was some protein in it, but that's alright. They're not protein bars, they're granola bars, so that's fine. Carbs, 18 grams. Pretty high, but not horrible. I mean, that's to be expected. It's granola, so. Has all the calorie information on here. And then it has the ingredients listed: granola, whole grain oats, tapioca syrup, cane sugar, sunflower oil, sea salt, vanilla extract, baking soda, rice crisp, rice flour, coconut, sunflower oil, whole grain oat flour, rice extract, sea salts, natural cream flavor, vanilla extract, natural flavor. Contains coconut and milk ingredients, organic. So if you're allergic to milk or coconut, then you gotta watch. You can't have this particular product. So see. There's 6.89 ounce bars per box. The little whole grain label on here. Oh, and they're nice and chewy. They're so good. So I'm going to open one up. I love these. Sometimes I just have one with my breakfast, like with my yogurt in the morning. I just purchased these, and as you can see, you have a little less than a year before it expires, but I'm sure you'll be going through a box of this rather quickly. If you're me, I go through like 2 boxes a week because I'm obsessed. So this is what the bar looks like. Chewy. It's a little hard, but not too hard, which is good for easier consumption, especially for kids if they have trouble chewing and whatnot. So yeah, they're delicious. I definitely recommend trying them. I love everything about them, from the taste to the texture to the fact that they're organic and GMO free. I think this is something great that you can have and that you can give your kids and feel good about. And I really hope that you guys try them, and I hope you enjoy Annie's chewy bars as much as I do. Have a good one, guys.